Hi. One of the big issues for sales and support users who are using Salesforce is to do call logging. The even bigger issue is not only do I have to log calls, but I also need to create tasks for follow-ups and then actually do the follow-up. I wanted to show you how you can easily log your activity and also automatically have AI create follow-up tasks. So I'm using GPTfy on an account record here, and this is GPTfy voice. And the idea is I'm going to leave a message. And in my message, I will have two tasks that I need to do. I had a conversation with the team at Meta. They are interested in using AI for their Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. They are concerned about security and privacy. I will send them a white paper on security and privacy today. And I need to schedule a call for the 10th of March that I will do maybe this Friday. So I've spent like about less than 30 seconds doing this, and I'm going to upload this. And what GPTfy now does is it's basically going to send this file to AI. It'll get it transcribed, then it'll run a prompt on it, which will then create an activity. And what we want to see is that does it also identify the tasks that I mentioned, and does it also create them? So I have a pop-up here, and if I click on this notification, we now know that what I just described has been documented. So as you can see here, you have a description of the task, some key points that I was talking about, and it has some action items to send a white paper on security and privacy, right? So this is great. In like less than 30 seconds, I was able to log my call, talk about some of the tasks that I need to do. Now, if I go back to the account record and I go to activities, what you also see is that it has created those two tasks for me. So it has a task for sending a white paper on security and privacy, and it has scheduled a call for the 10th of March. So that's what AI is doing. The interesting thing here is that it missed out on the part because I specifically said, I'm going to schedule a call on the coming Friday. And these are the kind of things where you will see LLMs catch up very quickly. I could have written my prompts better to identify them, but I also wanted to use this as an opportunity to show you the nature of LLMs and that this is a real demo. It's not made up. So it will have its own rough edges that you would smooth in as part of an implementation. And really, that is the thing that's often missing when we see demos from vendors and when we look at these technologies. Taking them from a prototype to a production grade does require a fair bit of care and thought into it. And I was just doing this quick and dirty pretty late at night here. Hopefully this was useful. Very curious to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much.